Hi, this is Harish Chawla. Me and my son Shiv, who is a first year undergraduate student in college, are delighted to be hosting this edition of Talking Out My Generation on Founding Fuel. We are living through one of the biggest change events in living memory. The pandemic is like a tsunami and it is altering the very landscape of our lives. Nothing will remain untouched. And we have somehow all of us have built this false expectation that things will go back to normal, things will be as they were before once we have a vaccine, once we have herd immunity. But let's realize the world doesn't have an undo button. There's no control Z or command Z. And if many of the changes we're seeing around us will be permanent. One of these changes that we're going to talk about, or I especially want to talk about, is that there is a tidal wave of digitization that's sweeping across the world. It impacts everything, whether you're a student, a shopkeeper, a teacher, a job seeker, a firm, a large company, a small company, or an entrepreneur who's starting up a new business. We are being forced to adopt digital tools and technology, not at our own pace, not at our own rhythm, but the pandemic has forced a sudden shift with no time to prepare. And that is this kind of tsunami, when it hits you, essentially will lead to dramatic outcomes. I believe COVID will create a two-tier world. There will be a set of people and firms who will get digital and who can navigate this new environment, and those who don't. In a simple example, what we think is a rat race, we all just running ahead and getting ahead of each other, whether you're a firm or a person or a professional. Technology is like somebody has got a cycle and you're now running against somebody with a bicycle. And the only way to keep ahead, to win, or to survive, or to thrive, is to get onto that cycle, learn those tools, and only then you can navigate this new environment. And what do I mean by getting it? It's not about just knowing how to use a smartphone or call an Uber. What I mean is that you need to fully understand the digital DNA of this new world and use the connectedness that is available to your advantage. I can see many organizations and people struggle with it. They're trying to transform the old, right? They try and retrofit technology into their business. But that's not going to work. We are now in a completely new world, and we have to take a fresh approach to learning, to working, to creating, to how we look at our business, how do we look at our business models, how do we evaluate ideas, and how we need to think of things that are born in a digital world. Retrofitting will take us only so far. And I think over the next few years, we will see this two-tier world come into place. There are firms that are born in the digital world or will just jump into it and adopt it. And there are firms that will slowly fail and lose market share, lose talent, and be essentially lost in this new world. For the new generation, actually, it's even a bigger challenge. Imagine you're in a school or college and you're heading out into this new world where there are fewer jobs available, many more people chasing them, and where eventually, for getting selected or being for getting the right position, for getting ahead in organizations or in life, your digital quotient will start mattering. People will care how much do you understand and how much do you relate to this new world. And that will be the value of the jobs. The jobs are firms are being restructured, jobs are becoming irrelevant by the day. Entire divisions of companies will actually collapse and become irrelevant as firms digitize and realize that they can replace whole functions with a few servers. So what the demand will be, and you can see that today even. I mean, this is not something new I'm talking about. Look at what has happened. Across the board, we've seen hits on salaries, job losses, except for the people who know programming, who know coding, who are data scientists, or can help firms digitize. Those jobs are remaining untouched. In fact, there is increasing demand because suddenly the demand for digital talent or people who are digital natives has gone through the roof across firms from across the world. And therefore, these people will be the leaders of the future. A resume won't be enough. If you're starting off a career or you're mid-career, just a resume won't be enough. Your digital presence, your digital footprint, your understanding of business is conducted in this digital future will matter. And no, colleges don't prepare you for this. Nor does the modern workplace. There are no forums that you can sign up for this. This is a change that's too sudden that we don't even have the tools to teach people about it. The only thing that you can do is experiment, put yourself out there, and start learning on your own. It's a necessary life skill with no teachers available. So how do we do this? That's the subject that Shiv and I want to discuss. Come, help us join the dots on Saturday, October 3rd at 7:30 p.m. India time on Facebook. Shiv and I will try and grapple with this new reality and what it means for people across generations and how do we tackle it. The registration link is below. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.